Hi friends, welcome back to our channel, that is the Trading Secrets. Today I'm gonna give you an overview of best chart patterns and their types. Basically, chart pattern divides into two categories, that is signal or indication wise. That could be a bullish or bearish. The second one is type of pattern wise. That could be a continuation, reversal and non-directional pattern. So in this video, I have mentioned the chart category that could be on the basis of bullish and bearish. Out of 17 charts, 9 charts are bullish, 6 charts are bearish and rest 2 charts are non-directional. So let's go to the chart first, that is ascending triangle pattern. In this pattern, price is moving up and down inside the triangle, then breakout is given upside, which represents a bullish signal. Second chart is a symmetrical pattern. In this pattern, price momentum is up and down in a symmetrical shape, and breakout is given upside, which represents a bullish signal, same as ascending triangle pattern. Now third one is cup and handle pattern, in which price is drastically moving from bottom to top with a consolidated pattern within a cup and handle, and breakout is given to upside, which represents a bullish signal. Fourth one is a double bottom pattern. Here you see if price is moving downward, break the resistance line, take a support, that is bottom 1, and move to the resistance line and again back to the support line, that is bottom 2, and again move to upward direction and break the resistance line and breakout given to upward direction, which also represents a bullish signal. Now fifth one is a falling wedge pattern. In this, the chart price is moving from down to uptrend and in a slanting direction, break the resistance line and breakout given, which represents a bullish signal. In this pattern, volume is very low, so this type of pattern is difficult to trade. Now sixth one is a flag pattern, and here you see a price is moving to upward direction with high volume and consolidate 30% of previous line within a range, then breakout given to the upward direction, which represents a bullish signal. Now seventh one is inverse head and shoulder pattern. This is also a bullish pattern. Here you see a price line in trending forming a left shoulder, moving to the resistance line, then move to downtrend making a head, and repeated moving to resistance line and moving downside making a right shoulder, then again move to the upward and breakout has given. Now eighth one is a rounding bottom pattern. In this pattern, rounding bottom is below the resistance line and price is downtrend and moves in a rounding pattern with the consolidation, and then breakout is given to upward direction, which also represents a bullish signal. Now the ninth one is triple bottom pattern. In this chart, the price breaks the resistance line and making a support 3 times, forming bottom 1, bottom 2 and bottom 3. Then again move to upward direction and breakout given to the resistance line. That represents a bullish signal. Now let's come to the bearish charts pattern. The first one is symmetrical triangle pattern. So here in this chart, price is moving within a symmetrical shape and breakout given to the downside, which represents a bearishness. Second one is a descending triangle pattern. In this chart, price is in downtrend moving within a descending triangle and breakout given to downside, which also represents a bearishness. Now third one is bump and run pattern. In this pattern, price is moving to 30 to 45 degree upward and a sudden hike with huge volume within a 45 to 60 degree angle. Then again a price drop down happen. This type of pattern is especially seen in the stocks. Now let's talk about the fourth, that is double top pattern, in which price is in uptrend making a first top and second top break the support line, which represents a bearishness. Fifth one is a head and shoulder pattern. In this chart, price is in uptrend and left shoulder making the head and right shoulder break the support line, which also represents a bearishness. The last sixth one of bearish charts is triple top pattern. In this, the price is in uptrend making a top 1, top 2 and top 3, then break the support line, which also represent a bearishness. Here is the two more charts, that is bullish or bearish charts. So first one is channel price pattern. In this price pattern, the price is moving within the resistance line and support line. This type of pattern seen in both bull side and bear side respectively. Now the second one is pennant pattern. This is a very interesting chart pattern in which price is moving in a symmetrical pennant shape. Breakout comes with a higher volume, both bull side and bear side as well. Thanking you. So if you understand this concept, then appreciate us. Please subscribe and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Also like and comment for motivation. Thanks for watching this video. Signing out, BHANU CHAUHAN.